Hey guys, to withdraw Bitcoin on Kraken, navigate to your portfolio, the bottom close to the left, and select your Bitcoin. On the balance, you're going to see withdraw. Just hit withdraw right here. Select the correct network. Okay, so I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Let's say, okay. Right? And here you're gonna see address. Just add the new withdrawal address if you haven't added one, or if you're adding address for the first time. All right. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the chosen or to the favorite external wallet to generate an address. In my case, I'm gonna use Phantom. Hit receive and select Bitcoin, and you could just simply, without pressing Bitcoin, copy the address from here at the bottom right. Okay, and now you just copy the address, enter the address and the nickname of the address, so you can basically know that this is going to Phantom Wallet. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you will receive a confirmation email from Kraken to verify this is your chosen or this is you who's making, or to verify that this is you who's making this transaction, and basically enter the amount, and basically that's it. Or in our case, we already added the amount. So see you in the next one.